Welcome to my channel Blue Lane, where you can learn Bulgarian language with me, Bistra. If you are new to the channel and you have no idea about Bulgarian language, go and check the first videos. Stuff you can learn. There are plenty of videos you can watch. Also, if you want to learn the Bulgarian language kind of in a course environment, go and check Udemy website, udemy.com, where you can see my first course for beginners. So you can go through the course, and after you finish the course, you will be quite confident in talking and understanding some basic Bulgarian. Now, for some of you who live in Bulgaria, who talk in Bulgarian, who kind of have quite a knowledge, let's do a short experiment. I'll talk in Bulgarian in this video, so post down below if you understand what you understand from my speech, and let's see if this can work for you. Някои от вас ми изпратиха имейли, в които казват, че искат да практикуват българския език и търсят сайтове или програми, където се говори на български език, така че те могат да слушат и да говорят. Изучаването на чужд език е в зависимост от индивидуалното темпо е дълъг или кратък процес. Процес, който изисква първо научаване на определен брой думи или речников запас. Думи, които можете да използвате в ежедневието си. Колкото повече думи знаете, толкова по-добре ще разбирате какво говорят хората. На второ място идва граматиката. Без граматика трудно се изучава език. Граматиката са правилата, които правят възможно думите да се свързват в реч и да имат смисъл. Граматиката е важна и дори за някой да е суха, трудна, скучна, тя е важна и трябва да се изучава. В началото ще правите много грешки. Това е абсолютно нормално. И вероятно много от говорещите, които ще слушате, ще правят грешки, което ще прави трудно вашето развитие. Но постоянството ще се отплати. Добър вариант за научаване на език е четене на книги, което изисква знаенето на много думи. Гледането на телевизия, слушането на радио или програми, подкаст също могат да помогнат. Говорене с приятели, различни варианти, от които можете да изберете и да се учите и да напредвате. I hope for most of you what I've said was clear enough to understand. If not, post down below. It will be interesting to know how many people feel comfortable to listen to Bulgarian speech and understand, and how many are still struggling. So it's also for you like a test where exactly you are. I didn't say difficult things. It wasn't complicated or specialized terminology. So you should be able to understand or at least have a gist what I've said. Learning words is very important. You need to know as many words as possible. Maybe I'll come back to the word of the week or something like that to extend your vocabulary, which is a great way of learning a language. And also conversations. I think the conversations are very helpful. Right now I'm working on this course that I'm posting on Udemy website, and it's for complete beginners, but there will be a follow-up course for next level. So I will tailor the course to cover the materials There will be exercises as well, so you can learn on your own without a teacher. You can feel comfortable going through that course, watching my videos here on YouTube. Of course, you can ask questions and I can answer and make new videos that I can adapt to your needs. So learning is a process. It's not, you have a destination you're going to, but still this is a process. So you can, during this journey, you can meet different challenges, different people. Some of them you won't like, some of them you make friends with. It's a journey. And learning a language is an ongoing process. You can't stop learning the language. You can't learn like 1,000 words and say, okay, I'm completely okay. Not really, because you can find yourself in situations where you can get confused and think, what happened? You won't understand. So you need to continue learning the language. You need to continue expanding your vocabulary. You need to learn some grammar as well. Even if you're not good, or some people feel scared to learn grammar, and that's completely understandable. Don't be scared. I'm trying to explain the things in the simplest possible way so you can understand, you can adopt, and you can use them. I hope you enjoy my videos, as always. I had a question about redoing one of the videos, or probably some of the very old videos, because of the sound. And I will do that. I will redo the to be video. Maybe other videos as well. If you have suggestions, just post them down below. I'll go through the videos and make new versions with better sound. And yeah, probably they won't be with me. I still have no idea. But keep going, keep learning, keep reading. I'll make more videos like this, speaking in Bulgarian. So let's see if you can adapt to listening. And the good thing is you can watch me, which is always better when you learn a foreign language. It's not only listening, but as well watching. So we will make some conversations and situations when you use Bulgarian language, how to use, what to say, and what it means. As always, leave your comments so I can respond. And like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye from me for now. Довиждане за сега от мен.